In this video, we are going to build an ultra-premium, infinite shimmering gradient text reveal layer featuring a seamless kinetic light flow wave using only pure HTML and CSS. Let's design a high-end cinematic typography header component. We will code this multi-tonal text display step by step, unlocking the power of background masking tricks. By stretching a multi-stop linear color profile to double its native container size and clipping it precisely to the geometry of our characters, we will engineer a lightweight, infinite translation loop that effortlessly sweeps a liquid spectrum wave across our headline the exact millisecond the page loads. Let's jump straight inside our visible presentation workspace using the body tag. Inside our presentation layer, we build our primary typographic centerpiece by opening an H1 class reveal-headline. Inside our heading block, we write out the first half of our statement. Welcome. Inject a native responsive break element using a BR tag to cleanly partition our rows, and complete the string block to code to cache before closing our heading architecture. Now let's scroll right back up inside our empty style tags and write out our custom styling sheets line by line. First, we target our viewport layout grid using the body selector. Inside the body block, we write margin 0 to clear away default margins. We specify height 100 VH to lock our canvas height exactly to the total vertical viewport size. We turn our viewport layout into a flex box by writing display, flex, and center our text block completely dead center using justify content center and aligned items center. We set our premium studio backdrop tone using background color #030408 to fill our background with an absolute luxury midnight hue. To finish the body layout, we set font family system-UI -Apple-System sans-serif to render clean, modern system typefaces, and add overflow hidden to lock layout overflows before closing with a curly brace. Next, let's style our primary text component using the selector.reveal-headline. We give it immense visual weight using font size 64 pixels and font weight 800, compress character tracking via letter spacing, -2 pixels, strip defaults with margin 0, center text lines using text align center, and tighten row heights with line height 1.1. Now for our ultimate pure CSS text clipping mask framework. We construct our multi-stop cosmic color layout strip using background linear-gradient 120 degrees #A855F 70% #6366F 125% #3B82F 650% #EC4899 75% #A855F 7 100%. Crucially, we write background-size 200% auto. This doubles the width of our background layout, giving our color strip extra hidden canvas room to slide horizontally back and forth behind our text. Next, we type out the layout clip engine by writing -webkit-background-clip text and background-clip text. This slices the massive background gradient strictly to the physical silhouette shapes of our letters. Right below that, we declare -webkit-text-fill-color transparent. This renders the standard solid text layer completely invisible, exposing our underlying sliding color gradient. To link our continuous translation wave, we write animation, shine flow 5 seconds linear infinite, and append a smooth interactive mechanical curve via transition. Transform 0.4 seconds cubic Bezier, 0.175, 0.885, 0.32, 1.275. Let's code an elastic pop-forward hover effect by typing .reveal-headline:hover, transform scale 1.04. Now let's script our endless shimmering light wave engine by typing at keyframes shine flow. At our baseline marker 0%, we set our initial boundary with background dash position 0% center. At our concluding marker 100%, we slide the color canvas completely across the letter shapes by writing background position 200% center, securing a perfectly seamless loop cycle. To ensure mobile safety, we append a responsive layout container rule using @media, max-width 600 pixels, reveal-headline font size 38 pixels, letter spacing -1 pixel. Look at the screen now. Our bold headline typography dominates the dark canvas space. Because our layout text is rendered transparently over our clipped background mask, a gorgeous liquid stream of neon purples, deep indigos, and hot pinks continuously flows across the characters. When you hover over the layout, the entire headline pops forward with a fluid, elastic springback, running entirely on hardware-accelerated CSS calculations. Thanks for watching. If you found this real-time build helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you next time.